What's up, guys? This is Rail Chief here, and welcome back to another unboxing video here on my channel. As always, my name is Mike, and I just received a package from one of my followers on Instagram, so that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. Now, let me just go ahead and turn the camera so that way you guys can see here. And so here we can get started. Now, this package was sent to me from Chris of O-Gauge World on Instagram. So he told me that originally these items that he had in his collection, he mentioned that he originally wanted to throw them out. So he asked me if I wanted them, so I accepted his offer, and he was very kind to send these to me for free. And I was really flattered by his offer once again. So thank you again, Chris, for sending these to me. So let's go ahead and open up the box, and I'll show you guys what I received. Alright, now, so in order for me to open up the box here, I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver. And I know that a box cutter would probably be better, but I don't really have one in my possession right now, so this will do for the meantime. I want to make sure that I cut this away from myself because I don't want to scratch any part of my body and ultimately getting cut. It's very difficult to work with. Alright, so what I have here is another set of Lionel Silver Dawn passenger cars, and it's kind of hard to tell, but if you look on this side, it looks like these were made somewhere around the 1980s probably. It's extremely hard to tell because the lettering is kind of faded off, but the weirdest thing about these cars is that it has the original number right over here. It's 2551. So this probably has to be the original. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, but with a little bit of care and some cleanup, I think this passenger car will look just fine. But that's not all. I actually got more over here, so let's go ahead and open up the rest here, and we'll see if they run or not. Alright, so here we go. We have the 4 sets of Lionel Silver Dawn passenger cars, which was sent to me by Chris from O-Gauge World once again. And as you see, they're in somewhat a little bit of a rough shape, but like I said earlier, just with a little bit of cleanup and some maintenance, these things should look just as good as new like they did when they came out of the factory. So I gotta see if I can clean up the aluminum without scratching off the paint. And then with this one, when it comes to the dome car, there's a little bit of a crack on the top here, but that should be easy enough to fix. I think I already showed this one already. And then when it comes to the observation car here, I'm not really sure if I showed this or not, but this might need a new door at some point because there's a little bit of spots that are cracked on the door here. But thankfully it's plastic, so that shouldn't be really that much of a problem. And then I might need to get a new front for the side of the car here because there's a little piece broken off. Now the question, of course, is that will these things actually work on the track? So that's what we're going to do here today. So let me go apply power to the transformer and see if the lights will go on here. Okay, so here I got the 2552 here on the rails. So let's go ahead and start applying to power and we'll see if this thing lights up or not. There we go. It's on. Alright, so it looks like this car, even though it lights up, it might have a dried up wire or something. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one off the rails. So at least we know this one works. And let's go ahead and put the 2551 on the track. There we go. Let's apply its power. Nope, this one's really dead as a hammer when it comes to the lighting. So this one definitely needs new light bulbs. And finally, let's do the 2553 next. And we'll see if this one lights up. Let's apply its power. There we go, got some light in there. So the only two cars that need new light bulbs are the 2551 and the 2552, I believe. Yep, just the 2551 and the 2552. And when it comes to the baggage car here, we don't have to worry about that because this car here doesn't require any rollers or light bulbs whatsoever, but I will need to clean this off at some point. So let's go ahead and start installing some new light bulbs inside the cars. Alright, so here I got the observation car all taken apart here. So what I'm going to do to clean the material is by using a wet toothbrush here. And I actually got this idea from D.A. Griffin Hobbies, so it's really nice to see somebody else had a video on YouTube on how to clean these, so hopefully this works. I'm just going to go very lightly. Let's clean some of this off. And of course, if that doesn't work, I always got the WD-40 that I can also use as well. Some of the stuff's starting to come off. Okay, well, it might not be exactly the best type of cleaning job that I've done, but at least it looks a lot better than what it did before. So let's go ahead and start putting the shell back onto the car. Yeah? Sure. Okay. Alright, now that the car is put back together, I actually have it hanging upside down here. And it's mainly because there was a little bolt that actually fell off on the inside of the roof here, so I actually had to glue that back on. And I'm actually going to sit overnight, so I'm going to see if I can end the video here and then come back in the morning to finish up with the rest of the car. So this video is probably going to be split into like 2 or 3 parts, so I hope you all have enjoyed tuning in to tonight's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell down below for any other projects that I upload. But until next time, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next episode. Thanks again, and take care.